What's going on, guys? Stevie from the Minimasters here, and today I just wanted to let you know what I'm up to. So I wanted a few parts for my truck, and I was like, looked online, kind of expensive, so I'm like, let's try a junkyard. So I came out here to Swift's Trails End Salvage Yard and Recycling, and they let me go right out in the lot. Very nice people, and all I was after was this tube right here. It's the intake tube, and while I was out there, I found these nice shiny tail lights, this nice brand new dome light, these two interior trim pieces, and of course this very nice tailgate, which I'm going to try to rehab and possibly put that in place of that one. So all those goodies for 150 bucks, can't beat it. So if you're in the Ankeny kind of East Des Moines area, look these guys up. There are a few OBSs out there, not too many. Some nice hoods, at least one clean box, some interior trim pieces, some other goodies. So just go out there and look for something. So that's all for me, guys. Hit the subscribe icon over here. Check out some of my other videos. I'm Stevie from the Minimasters, and I'll see you around.